Yeah, welcome to our YouTube channel once again. Um, we'll be using three different shapes to make a very beautiful PowerPoint presentation. Insert a triangle, and make the fill. Adjust it very well and make the fill white. Leave the outline. Leave the outline. We need the outline. Then go to shape and select trapezium and draw it just the way you're seeing it. Just draw it. Use the arrow, the yellow dots, to make it fit into the triangle, just like you are seeing it. As you can see, you see, let it just fit like that. Then duplicate it. Take the duplicate up, then adjust it again to fit into the triangle. Duplicate again and do the final pasting and adjustment. But this one, you are going to adjust it such that it fills the triangle completely. After which, you go in with a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Just draw it from edge to edge, as you can see, from edge to edge. Then pick the yellow button and adjust it just the way you are seeing it like this. Then if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly do so by clicking on subscribe button and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to see our next video when we drop it. Thank you as you are doing that. It's going to take nothing from you. All right, let's go back. Then right click on any of the shape and select format shape. Now you are going in with the color of your choice. So I choose to go gradient. I choose to go gradient, just like you're seeing it. Make sure you put in your favorite color. For this is just for educational purpose, so I usually use a random colors, especially default colors. After which, you might just want to format your background. So I decided to change the background this time around from pure white, not for any reason, just wish to, and this is what we get. Then select all the first trapezium, all our three trapezium, select it, and also select all the parallelogram, select them, and take away the outline, shape outline, and you can as well add shadow of your choice. After which, you go in with your text just the way you're seeing it. And just go in with your text just the way you're seeing it. However you want your text to be, go in with your text, duplicate the slide, go in with your text, duplicate the slide, go in with your text. Then duplicate the first slide such that you make it empty and come in with your heading. For this tutorial, I call it economic cycles. We have the expansion period, the peak period, and the recession period. After which, just press F5 on your keyboard and voila, this is what you get. Isn't this nice? Try this and leave a result at the comment section. Thank you see you in the next episode.